Margherita cake is a soft cake, which you can enjoy alone or filled with cream and wet, as an alternative to the classic sponge cake. To prepare a 22 cm diameter cake, start by buttering, flouring, and lining the bottom of a pie pan with parchment paper. Then sift 125 grams of 00 flour, 125 grams of potato starch and a teaspoon into a bowl of baking powder. Then you carve and extract the pulp from a vanilla pod. At this point, you can proceed to whisk 4 egg whites at high speed with a pinch of salt. When the egg white begins to increase in volume, add 250 grams of granulated sugar. When the egg white is stiff, add 11 egg yolks and continue to whisk until the mixture becomes smooth. Then briefly incorporate the vanilla pulp using the electric mixer. Pour the sifted powders in several portions, mixing gently with a spatula or spoon. Or, if you already have good experience, using the hand whisk. In any case, mix gently with circular movements from bottom to top so as not to disassemble the mass. Finally, gently incorporate 75 grams of warmed melted butter, spreading it carefully on the edges of the bowl. Pour the mixture into the mold and then level it well with the spatula. Bake in a preheated static oven at 175 degrees centigrade for about 40 minutes. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes in the mold before turning it out of the mold. If you want, sprinkle the Margherita cake with icing sugar when it has completely cooled down. Watch the related video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.